Viettiles, double triangle, and frankly ventilation tiles bring a perfect combination of aesthetics and functionality in space design. The double triangle model is characterized by symmetrical triangles, creating repetition and harmony, bringing modern and innovative beauty. This design not only has aesthetic value, but also has the effect of making the space more airy thanks to the ability to filter light and wind, while creating interesting lighting effects when the light shines through. Viettiles' frankly model, with a simple and elegant design, is suitable for spaces that love gentleness and modernity. The geometric structure of this model can be easily combined with many different interior and exterior styles, from classic to contemporary. In particular, the variety of colors of Viettiles' ventilation tile models helps users easily choose according to personal preferences and suitability for living space. The color gamut ranges from neutral to dark, from white, gray to bright colors, bringing flexibility and freshness to each project, creating spaces that are both sophisticated, vibrant, and attractive.